Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add fonts to Google Sheets. Alright, so as you might know, you can change the fonts in your Google Sheets spreadsheet, and all you have to do is select the fonts you want to change. And if you click on this font button here, you can see that we can select around 20-30 fonts we can use. But what if you don't like any of these you have here? You can add more fonts to your options, and all you have to do is click on more fonts here, and then you can search by languages here, and you can also search by font type. So you can see display, monospace, sans serif, handwriting. So let's say we want this Handley homemade Apple font, so we select that one, click on OK. And now if we click on the option here, as you can see, we have homemade Apple here. The font type has been applied to our text values here. So all in all, this is how you can add additional fonts to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.